In the 21st district, work is underway on the excavations, soil transportation and leveling for the first section of the Bagrami Lata Band road, which spans 3,300 meters in length and 60 meters in width, linking to the Kabul Jalalabad highway. This significant project involves building a large bridge, smaller bridges, drains, retaining walls, sidewalks, flower beds, parking areas, installing street lights and road marking. The project is anticipated to be completed within the next 15 months.
3300 متره طول لري، څلور خط موږ لرو چې دوه کیریجوي دي.
This road is 3,300 meters in length, which has 4 lanes, 2 of which are asphalted and 2 of them are bicycling lanes, including sidewalks. The works are in rapid progress despite the cool weather. Efforts are made to accomplish it till the end of the winter.
کندنکاریانې او پرکاري ټوله ختمه کړو.
شاروالی نه موږ ډیره مننه کوو چې موږ ته سړکونه جوړوي.
We are really grateful to the Islamic Emirat, especially Kabul Municipality, for the construction of the roads. Our problems were completely resolved after the construction of this road.
اماراتو نه موږ ډیره مننه کوو چې دا پروژې ورکړل او د سړکونه یې موږ ته پاخه کړل. موږ سل په سله کې مشکلات حل سو. غوټۍ د آبادۍ دو په لمنه د وطن پر ځانو نظر کړي د پالنه د وطن پر ځانو نظر کړي د پالنه د وطن.